Yeah, Arav, you can read that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kushi.
I just wanted to ask you one more doubt that as we have been recording this session, so where do we find like the recorded?
Kushi, when you're talking, you are like there's a buzzy sound coming from your mic. I cannot hear you properly. Would you like to write your question privately to me in the chat box? You know how to write privately? You can go
Yeah,
to main
yeah,
chat
yeah.
and yeah, please do that. Okay, so that's what you call machine learning, right? So what is machine learning? Let's discuss that thing first, and then we'll come to AI.
Ma'am, now I can see.
Okay, perfect. Like, where will we find the recordings of this? Yeah, the recordings will be shared with you probably. I will confirm you tomorrow about this. Okay. I'm not having much information right now, but we'll do that. Okay, so that's what you call machine learning. So what is a machine learning? And now one more thing, like there would be obviously random doubts, but I would suggest you if you can ask the doubts which is related right now to the topic. So let's say we are talking about cat, dog, machine learning. I know that doubt might go out of your brain, but what you can do is you can write it down and you can ask in the last 15 minutes because we will do Q&A. So if you just focus here during this time, it could be much more better actually, right? Okay. So we want to talk about machine learning. So what is a machine learning? Actually, before talking about machine learning, let's talk about AI. And let me just put one image. One second. Just give me a second. I put one more image here. Okay. So you can see there is one more image. So we can see AI, ML, and then deep learning. So there are three stages. The very first stage is artificial intelligence. Then we have machine learning. And then we have deep learning. So in order to understand machine learning, we need to actually understand AI, right? So what do you think? What is AI?
Ma'am, AI is a thing that makes a machine intelligent.
That makes the machine intelligent. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, artificial intelligence.
Okay, we will do one thing now. We'll write all of your answers that you're giving so that we have things to talk about here. Okay.
AI means uh, artificial intelligence.
So AI is artificial intelligence. Don't mind the spellings.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Yes.
ma'am, artificial intelligence gives the machine some knowledge.
Okay. So
It makes the machine intelligent.
give knowledge to the machine or makes it intelligent. Fine. More answers. Everyone, you can share your thoughts. I'm writing everything down here.
Ma'am, artificial intelligence is a type of technology that can be used to do many things.
It's a technology, can be used to do many things. Okay. Anything else? Any idea? Okay. So let's talk about now. The word says artificial intelligence. It means obviously we can understand we have human intelligence and artificial intelligence is something which is made by human, which is man-made intelligence. So instead of calling it man-made intelligence, we are calling it artificial intelligence, something which is artificial. But why do we need to do it? Like, what do humans have in their intelligence that they are trying to transfer to AI? or artificial intelligence? What are the skills that humans do have naturally? What do you think? Thinking. Okay, shall I make it critical thinking? Or let's say cognitive thinking? Have you all heard about cognitive thinking? You know what is cognitive thinking?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, no idea?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. So, see, what is cognitive thinking? In our brain, there is a part which is responsible to recognize things or to build focus or basically to think critically, right? So that's what cognitive thinking is. Like it's a part of brain that is responsible to do focused work or to do critical work, which needs a lot of analytical and the critical thinking. Now this word sounds really technical, but we will understand one by one. So apart from that, yeah, there are also man-made robots too. So critical thinking, cognitive thinking, what else humans have? Ability to learn fast. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, in business, a person we can set AI automation that if we will do it by a person, it will charge about 10 times from AI.
10 times from AI.
We
Sorry,
can
could you?
set we
Huh?
can set जैसे WhatsApp automation. If
Hmm.
a customer will approach us on WhatsApp, AI
Hmm.
will reply her quickly. But if
Hmm.
we will appoint a person,
Hmm.
then we can't say that he's replying quickly or customer is satisfied with her.
Okay, so you're saying that the AI are more responsible than humans in terms of work.
Fast, responsible, and
Uh,
from a little bit good quality.
okay, all right, got it. So, okay, I got your point. Now let's talk about the human intelligence. What are the things we do have? So the second is problem solving. Like we humans are built in a way that we love to solve problems. Let's say a Rubik's cube, right? So problem skills, problem solving skills we do have by default in us. Learning a language. So learning a new language is also part of human intelligence. Anything else that a human brain is naturally having apart from thinking
Ma'am,
critically.
emotions. Emotions.
Right, but those emotions or feelings AI doesn't have. But yes, human intelligence does have. So that is the right thing. Um, yeah, so I think that would be enough. Although we have a lot of other things as well as human intelligence. I'm not getting exactly the words right now, but for sure we do have. So now what we as like when we are building AI, what we are trying to do is we are trying to transfer all the ability that human does into AI. And why we are taking such a big step? Because we know that if we give our intelligence to someone, then definitely it would be kind of like there are chances they can misuse as well. Correct? But in that case, what would happen is if we transfer our intelligence to the to the AI, then we can use AI to make our work easier. Correct? That is one thing. So artificial intelligence, it's basically it refers to the machines that can perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. Correct? So AI refers to machines that can perform tasks that requires human intelligence. I am putting this definition here down. Okay, I'm just putting this thing aside, whatever we have written down, and I'm just putting the definition here below to the AI. Let me just organize it because we can send you this so you can take your notes. I hope you guys are also taking your notes, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm taking notes down.
Okay, fine. So here is the AI definition, right? So that's what AI is. Now, what are the examples we have for AI? Yes. One more thing.
See your definition.
Yes. How about now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you?
It's visible.
y- Yes, because when I am writing now, so you cannot see that. What I was telling is the very important thing of a human brain is also making the decisions, isn't it? They also make good decisions. So that is also one of the thing that we want to do at. So in this, when we were talking about emotions, feelings, and critical thinking, add one important aspect, which is decision making. Humans are also known for making decisions, right? So that's the thing. Now, examples. So now whatever humans can do, your AI can do as well. Critical thinking, cognitive thinking, analytical thinking, ability to learn faster, ability to solve the problem fastest, and ability to make the decision. Basically multitasking. Correct. So what are the example of AI?
Ma'am, ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is one of the
For
examples.
self-driving
Ma'am,
cars.
Meta AI.
Gemini.
Acha, wait, Gemini.
ChatGPT.
Perplexity.
So
Ma'am, Meta AI.
acha, wait. I tell you one thing. ऐसे तो like we have a lot of AI tools, right? So अभी हम सबके नाम तो नहीं लिख सकते यहाँ पे. So what we'll do is,
Ma'am, what about Claude?
yes, so those all are the AI tools. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Example में what we can do is we can write AI tools instead of naming all the AI tools. So instead of naming all the AI tools, what we want to do is we want to write AI tools, right? So in AI tools, everything is coming. Your Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT. Tell me more examples.
Grok perplexity.
Meta AI. Perplexity.
Yes, exactly.
Ma'am, Grok.
Yes, Grok, Raplet.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what about Comet browser?
Ma'am,
Which browser? Amazon.
Ma'am, minutes.
Ma'am, what about Comet browser?
Is this AI tool? Sorry, I might not
This
have
is
used
a AI
that.
tools.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, chatbots.
Chatbots, LLMs, right? So
Robot.
everything, yes. So just AI tools. For now, we are just talking about AI tools. So since you mentioned GPT, like GPT, we have a lot of AI tools. So सारे tools लिखने के, instead of writing all the tools, we just write AI tools. That's all. Now the next thing is Alexa, Siri. Any other example of AI?
Ma'am, Google Assistant.
Google Assistant. So Siri and Google Assistant are kind of like, same. So I still write Google Assistant here. Sorry, which robot?
Ma'am, emo robot.
Emo. Yes, exactly.
Ma'am, what about Bixby?
Okay. Emo. How about robots? Robots are also kind of AI, right?
Ma'am, it is not Big B, it's Bixby.
Oh, okay. Is it a robot or what?
Ma'am, it is a AI tool. It is
AI
a
tool.
AI
Then
assistant.
it will go in the AI tools option, no? Because we have written down. Yeah. So that will go in the AI.
Ma'am, it is a AI assistant in Samsung.
In which device it is AI assistant? Is it in because
Ma'am,
Siri is
it is
used in
in
Mac?
Ma'am, it is in Samsung only.
It's in Samsung device. Okay, I never use that, so not sure. But okay. So robots can be one of the example of AI too, right?
IBM.
Ma'am, drones.
Drones, okay. What do you mean by IBM here? I'm a little confused.
IBM means it is a AI tool that will attend our call and it will respond
Acha, okay, you're talking
like
about
a
AI
customer
tool.
support.
Okay, I thought you were talking about
Ma'am, the
IBM.
TVs in our house, the phones, the TVs and phones.
Can I say the automatic, uh, like automatic sanitizer or automatic
Ma'am, the TVs and
line,
phones.
TVs and phones? Okay.
Self-driving car.
Self-driving car is not a part of AI, dear, I will tell you. But automatic lights on, you must have seen, right? Nowadays, at most of the places we do have.
Yes.
You enter in a room, the lights are
AC
on.
on off.
But
Ye-
that is of motion sensor lights.
Yeah, so it's a
Ma'am,
part of AI or not? What do you
AC
think?
on
Yeah.
off.
They are
What's
part of IT, information and technology sector, not AI, I think.
Ma'am, the
so
sensors, AI sensors.
so AI sensors, when we talk about like automatic light switching and automatic, basically, what do you say, hand sanitizer, right? So are this the example of your
Ma'am, laptop also. Laptop computers.
yes, that is also. But just asking you a question, everyone. What do you think? Are automatic
Ma'am, what
lights and all?
about ma'am?
Hmm.
What about Microsoft Copilot?
Yes, that is also AI tool at the end, right? So AI tools में हमारे सारे AI tools आ गए. Now we need to think something else.
Ma'am, Alexa.
I written it down. Okay, you guys cannot see it. Now,
Ma'am, Elite robot.
okay, that also came into robots, right? So
Ma'am,
whatever
Google Map.
Google Map, very good, good job. It's AI or machine learning.
And I have an example, weather apps. Weather
Okay.
forecasting apps.
Mm-hmm. So weather apps, or let's say your Google Maps, or yeah, are those example of AI or ML? What do you think? Is it AI?
Ma'am, I think
Traffic prediction, basically.
Ma'am, Notebook LM is a chatbot. Is a chat.
Ma'am, Cortana.
Okay, so two things I want to enter here.
Ma'am, what about AI powered algorithmic trading?
Is this again AI tool?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so that came in the AI tool. Whatever, now we'll need to discuss something else, right? So, okay, listen to me. When I talk about smart lights, smart fans, smart washing machines, right? Like you just need to put your clothes in it and it will just do everything on its own. That's actually not your AI, but that's a part of your embedded system. It's not AI. Okay, so smart lights and all smart sanitizers we cannot add here into AI. It's a topic of robotics, not AI. So that is not AI. Now, one more thing, one more example you guys were telling me, right? Google Maps, or let's say your traffic predictions, or let's say weather app, correct? Those all are the examples of your AI.
Ma'am, traffic prediction.
Traffic prediction that can predict the traffic before
Ma'am,
it does
self-aware.
happen. Self-aware what?
Self-aware AI.
Yeah, that can be one of the example.
in Japan, like there are.
Ma'am, the internet.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
like
internet web.
ma'am, like in
Internet
Japan,
web, okay.
ma'am, in like
Excuse me, ma'am.
area.
Uh, okay, let's do one thing. We'll talk one by one. So
Ma'am,
who
I
wants
have a
to?
question.
Okay, Arsh, tell me.
Ma'am, like in coastal areas, like if a tsunami or natural calamity is coming,
Mm-hmm.
then ma'am, a notification comes on your phone that you have to evacuate soon. So, like AI is helping this, or AI is doing this, or like the government website is doing this.
So see, even the government websites build this AI, like they have some sort of people, they are working in, like AI is not just in private jobs, AI is into government jobs too. There are cyber security analysts, there are there are AI analysts which are hired by the government, so that, like, you must have heard about intelligence in every country, which determines the drones and the bombs and everything. So that's what the AI analysts do, or
I have heard of Namo AI, which is of government.
exactly. So that is one of the examples. So I wanted to add you here one thing, that this Google Maps cannot just use AI, but they also work on machine learning, big data, and all as well.
And
So that is one thing.
also.
Now okay, so we are done with the AI. Now let's come to the machine learning part as well. So in AI, just also mentioned YouTube recommendation. That is also part of AI. You know how the YouTube algorithm works and it recommend you. So that is your AI thing.
Your voice is little bit over.
Like loud.
Yes.
Okay. I can
That's
speak slow.
song recommendation.
Yeah. So everything would come here. ठीक है. Abhi now let's move to machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI. Like, it's a part of AI only, where the machines learns from the data instead of being explicit program. So I explain you what's happening. Machine learning is a part of AI where the machines learns from the data. Okay. So what kind of data? For an example, what I will do is, I have a dog image and a
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Ma'am can't hear you.
All right, everyone. Sorry, I just my other device logged out. So we will be just talking now. I won't be able to write it over there. So let's just discuss about machine learning, right? So machine learning is a part of AI जहाँ पर your machine learns from the data. So let's say I was given you dog and the cat image, correct? So in the dog and the cat image, what's happening is that, let's say you create one model, one machine, where you will give these two images to your model, and your model will predict whether it's cat or a dog. Now, how your model can predict it? Because you are giving data to it. If you don't give data, exactly, exactly. So if you don't give data, then it won't work as well. Correct? So that's the thing.
Ma'am,
That's your machine learning.
the
Mm-hmm.
data comes from humans. Like the humans, like writes, and
Mm-hmm.
from the input, then it goes for the output.
Exactly. So the data is given by the user itself, or the human itself, you can say, right? So that's what happened. Machine learning is like where the robots or the AI, whatever model you create, they are not just work on that particular data, but they learn from it. So I give you very simple example. He, like, in the mathematics, you do study math, right? So in the mathematics, you study a lot of questions and the formulas, but in the exam, your teacher gives you some other question, not the same question. What's the reason why? The reason is very simple, that your teacher want you to become like smart learner who can use those formulas, those methods to make something better, or to to solve a new problem. And that's what your machine learning does. When you create a machine learning model, so what you want to do is, you want your data, you want your machine or your model to work on a new data as well. Correct? So जैसे कि मैंने दो इमेज दी है, डॉग और कैट की. Now my machine can predict whether it's a dog or a cat. But let's say when I give elephant image, it can also predict that, oh, it's an elephant, right? So that's what machine learning is. Machine learning वो होती है जहाँ पर हम न्यू डेटा दे, अगर हम न्यू डेटा देते भी हैं तब भी it can recall it because it learns from the different patterns, or it learns from you. Correct? Let's say in the ChatGPT, अगर आप ChatGPT से you talk for years, so after an year it can understand you very well, right? Why? Because in an year you have talked a lot, you have shared a lot. Now it knows you very well, that what you like, what you don't like, what kind of work you do. Correct? And then it will give you better suggestions than before. And that's what your machine learning is. Now remember कि जो आपका गूगल मैप है वो मशीन लर्निंग यूज करता है, बट हमने तो उसे एआई में लिखा था, तो वो एआई है फिर मशीन लर्निंग है, वो दोनों हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज मशीन लर्निंग इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ एआई. करेक्ट? Machine learning is also a part of AI, so that's the reason whatever comes in AI is also comes in your machine learning. Got it? And this smart cars example we were talking about, that's a part of your deep learning. Deep learning is a place where you talk about really, really advanced models. Correct? So one of the example is Tesla, because Tesla is something which can obviously, it's very risky device, right? Like it's very risky AI because it's running among humans. So it can obviously, if it is a wrong device, it can harm people. So it's a really advanced model. Even GPT is an advanced model, but you see GPT does mistakes. But Tesla has no option to do mistakes.
Excuse
So
me.
Tesla will be your deep learning. Yes, tell me.
I have a question.
आप लिंक शेयर करके
I mean, I forgot it. Never mind. Oof.
Okay. Whenever you get it, you can let me know. But yeah, so that's what your deep learning is. Okay.
Ma'am, now I got it. Ma'am, are you sharing the whiteboard?
Nahin. No, I'm not sharing. I'm not sharing the whiteboard. So now you see, we have talked about three things: machine learning, AI, deep learning. Deep learning सबसे ज़्यादा advanced होता है जहाँ पर they create such a intelligent device like Tesla. Okay, so those are the three stages of learning. Like learning in the sense what? Like यहाँ पे three learnings है, right? AI, machine learning, deep learning. Okay, and then it comes to neural networks that we are going to study tomorrow. But if you have any doubt now, you can ask me. Any doubt, anybody?
Ma'am, when will CV and data science will come? We haven't studied that.
Yeah, obviously we'll study by time everything, right? I will teach you everything by time, don't worry. But for now, since we studied about all these three things, deep learning is the third part of AI and machine learning. वो एआर, सो डीप लर्निंग जो होगा वो एआई भी यूज करेगा और मशीन लर्निंग भी यूज करेगा. एआई सिर्फ और सिर्फ एआई यूज करेगा. मशीन लर्निंग विल बी एबल टू डू एआई प्लस एमएल. डीप लर्निंग विल बी एबल टू डू एवरीथिंग. Okay, so deep learning is the most advanced stage of your AI, you can say. So in the deep learning also you do the same thing. You work on models, you make your model learn out of the data, but then it is more advanced than your AIML. That's all. Any other doubt, anybody?
Hello.
Yes.
Actually, ma'am, I am Kanak Laturia's parent. I have added her for this course from 6th April onwards, but I think by mistake they have added me in this group.
Okay. So Shivam, can you please check?
Yeah,
Can you please
I enrolled
let the
for
team
April
know?
month course.
You must be added in some sort of groups, right? So can you text over there?
Yeah,
ये फोन
this
में
group
हुआ रह गया
only I
था
have added.
Yeah. Okay.
So, ma'am, actually, na, our team has by mistake added you in the group, so you can just join that class from the 6th April onwards. It's just for the confirmation purposes, ma'am. That you are like some people doubt now that classes are not happening or something. So you can just start from 6th of April in the next batch, ma'am.
Okay, I can leave this group now then.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, definitely. We will add you back. You can just ping us on WhatsApp, na.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye.
Most welcome, ma'am.
All right, everyone. So, if no doubt, let's meet again tomorrow. At home, you can study more about it, AI, ML, and deep learning. Okay.
Tomorrow also
Ma'am?
is same time.
Same time tomorrow.
Ma'am, is vacuum cleaner the AI powered one? Is also AI? Like we
Yes,
it also use AI parts plus some
machine learning.
yeah.
And also embedded coding because they have sensors, right? So again, the robotics part would come. So three things: AI, ML, and your robotics. Embedded coding that you call it.
Ma'am, I have one thing in
Mm-hmm.
Apple CD is there, right? But
Mm-hmm.
in Apple watches, they have a new type one, which is like Ultra CD.
Um, I'm sorry,
Oh,
I never used it, but okay, as you're saying.
ma'am,
Uh, mhm.
ma'am, I'm like almost an expert in Apple.
That's great. Probably it's due to the size, maybe, or maybe
I'm not in the size. The Apple Watch is small, so that means it has this Ultra CD, which is there. There are two types.
right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So,
Ma'am, if you
right, it's
search ma'am, if you search in Google or YouTube, you may
mhm.
get that from Apple.
Okay. That's interesting. I will definitely have a look for sure on this. Okay, so how about now you guys study and we meet tomorrow, right? So I will see you everyone tomorrow then. Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye. Thank
thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Yes, thank
ma'am.